And third hand high is the general guideline. And like I said, we're going to be looking at the exceptions to those for the most part. So what are the exceptions? Well, let's start with a bigger picture. As third hand, you want to prevent declare from getting a cheap trick. As third hand, you want to promote the winners for the defending side, for you and your partner. And as third hand, you want to trap declare's honors later in the hand. So you're either trapping the honors in the dummy or you're trapping the honors in declare's hand. And that's where I get the nickname for this class. So those are our goals. No cheap tricks, promote winners for our side, and trap declare's honors later on in the hand. Let me show you a couple of examples of these. Preventing a cheap trick. All right, so let's look at the spade suit here. And your partner, okay, your third hand, you're sitting in the east chair here, and your partner leads the 6 of spades. And the dummy comes up and has the 9-4-3, and declare plays the 3. And in this case, third hand is going to play the ace. What I mean by prevent declare from getting a cheap trick is if third hand were to put the jack in on this trick, declare would win their queen of spades. And that queen of spades there is the cheap trick. So what you need to do is work out, and we're going to have a really easy rule for this exception. We're going to be looking at the dummy, and if there's no honor in the dummy, there's no exception. Just, you'll hear me say that one again later on. So in this case, third hand high, play the ace, 6 of spades, 3 of spades, ace of spades by third hand, and declare plays the 2. Now third hand would return the jack of spades. You return top of a doubleton, and we'll be discussing that as well, through declare's queen, right? And no matter what declare plays, partner here with the king 10 can see the dummy. If declare plays the 7, partner will then play the 10. If declare plays the, or excuse me, partner will play low because they know their partner's jack will win. If declare plays the queen, covering the jack, then West or partner here will win the king, and then their 10 of spades is good. All right, so that's what we mean by cheap tricks. No cheap tricks for declare.